Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 90 4-stroke engine. You'll see a stainless steel ladder here on the transom. The hull color is light blue with chrome graphics. Stainless steel grab handle throughout the boat. Stainless steel bimini top with black Sunbrella canvas. You'll see an upgraded 19-gallon fuel tank, large bench seat, helm and console, and there's also storage inside the console at the helm. You'll have a removable cooler and also plenty of forward seating, and also your anchor locker is stored inside here. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.